welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video I am super excited because YASONIC had reached out to me wanting to do a unboxing collaboration with them. So I am super excited to be doing this video and reviewing this shower caddy because I've actually have been needing one for my bathroom. And so I am super excited that they reached out to me and that I get to review this product for you guys. And I will also leave the link down below in the description. This product is found on Amazon and it has really good reviews. So I'm super excited to be trying this out and reviewing this for you guys. So let's get into this.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh.
And it came with some really, it came with directions. And it's got pictures, so that is awesome. So that will help you guys out as well as assembling this. It shows you what shower walls it works with and which ones it doesn't. So that is super awesome. And so I think it will fit perfect. I just have to get these over here moved out of my way. Okay, so these are gonna fit right here, like super perfect, I think. Yes. So I think I'm gonna do something kind of like this. It will be like super perfect. Trying to think. The smaller one up here and the bigger one down here. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so we're gonna get these installed. So you're gonna want to make sure they're lined up through right here. And just give them a little push like that and it snaps in place. So I'm gonna get this one on here as well, and there, it just snaps in. And just kind of see where you want to put it, which I think I want to put mine like right here. So I had to go find a pencil. I'm going to, like, once I get this up here like this, I just want to kind of go in with my pencil just so I can get a good even line like that, just so I can make sure I get it lined up perfectly. So now I'm just going to take these off so I can get them on there.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
So this time I just made sure I went around the corners. So going around the corners is going to be a lot easier to get it lined up. The first one I went above, so it made it a little bit harder to get it actually lined up. So try to make sure you just go in the corners.
Nobody told me to settle down.
Okay, so, and they are really sturdy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff up here.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on.
But but I am absolutely loving this. I can hang my razor right there, and our sponges can go here. I can get rid of these hooks, and I can get rid of this one right here as well. And now when I am showering, this is opened up now, so I can literally just put my foot here and shave my legs, and all this will not be falling down because everything was right here before, so everything would just fall on me when I was trying to shave my legs or shower. So yes, I am loving this. So I am loving this. It is super sturdy. As y'all can see, I've got quite a bit of stuff hung up on there. So like I said, I will leave the link down below, and I really hope you guys go and purchase this product and try it out, because you guys will love it as much as I am loving it right now. And this little bar soap dispenser, I'm actually just gonna go and put this in my kids' bathroom because my son uses bar soap for his body. So I'm just gonna go and put this in their shower right fast. So let's go.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day, nights, and late.
In my kids' bathroom, this little soap dispenser for my son, so he can just put his soap right there and it's not sitting on the ledge of the shower, which y'all already know when your soap is sitting on the ledge of the shower, it looks terrible. So now I've got that pulled up, and I've got this in here for him. So awesome.
You look at me.